AE3 PRO Max, the next evolution in intelligent aerial photography. Equipped with 8K dual cameras, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, and a smart LCD screen controller, this GPS drone is built to deliver cinema-grade footage, extreme flight stability, and smart automation, all packed into one foldable powerhouse. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, drone enthusiast, or adventurer, the AE3 PRO Max offers unmatched value and performance. Camera cinematic 8K clarity from dual cameras. The AE3 PRO Max is equipped with a high-definition 8K front camera, enhanced with a 3-axis gimbal for real-time stabilization, delivering smooth, shake-free video even in dynamic flight. A secondary bottom view camera allows you to switch perspectives on the fly, ideal for precision landings, creative angles, and FPV immersion. With full control over camera tilt, you can adjust the field of view mid-flight, from dramatic overhead shots to detailed tracking angles. 5G Wi-Fi FPV plus long-distance real-time transmission. Using next-gen 5G Wi-Fi FPV, this drone delivers ultra-low latency video streaming directly to your smartphone or the built-in LCD screen on the remote controller, no phone required. Enjoy real-time 1080p viewing, fast image feedback, and flight responsiveness even at extended distances. Capture more with zero guesswork. LCD Smart Controller. Fly without a phone. One of the standout upgrades on the AE3 PRO Max is its integrated LCD display controller. Fly confidently with live FPV video, telemetry data, GPS coordinates, battery levels, and more, all directly from the remote control. No app required, no lag, and no distractions. This feature is perfect for pilots who prefer a self-contained system or for situations where using a phone isn't practical. Shield Professional Obstacle Avoidance. Fly smarter and safer with the obstacle avoidance system, which uses intelligent sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in real time. Whether you're flying low, navigating tight spaces, or shooting in complex environments, the AE3 PRO Max actively works to prevent collisions, protecting both your drone and your surroundings. This feature is perfect for pilots who prefer a self-contained system or for situations where using a phone isn't practical. Shield Professional Obstacle Avoidance. Fly smarter and safer with the obstacle avoidance system, which uses intelligent sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in real time. Whether you're flying low, navigating tight spaces, or shooting in complex environments, the AE3 PRO Max actively works to prevent collisions, protecting both your drone and your surroundings. Very Function is designed to enhance your creativity while keeping the flying experience intuitive and secure. Gear High Performance Engineering. Battery Long Endurance Battery. Fly longer with high-capacity rechargeable batteries. Running brushless motors. Powerful, efficient, and quiet. Wind Face Wind Resistance. Stable flight even in challenging weather. Luggage Foldable Design. Compact, travel-friendly, and easy to store. Crescent Moon Night Flight Mode. Enhanced visibility for after-dark adventures. Specifications Recap. Camera with flash 8K UHD front camera plus bottom camera. Movie camera 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Satellite dish 5G Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission. Shield obstacle avoidance sensors. Video game LCD screen remote controller, no phone needed. Round pushpin GPS positioning with auto return and follow me. Battery long-lasting rechargeable battery. Globe gesture control. Waypoints, circle flight modes. Airplane foldable frame, lightweight and portable. Bullseye perfect for fishing, cinematic shots, or exploration. Take your creativity to the skies with the AE3 PRO Max, a professional drone that delivers pro features without the pro price tag. With its 8K imaging, smart controller, and autonomous flight features, this drone doesn't just fly, it works for you.